Next, in the quadratic equation, to find a root, we have a formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? Here in this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Why it is called discriminant? Because this is only decide what type of discriminant. This is only decide what type of root that will be, right? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. Okay, it's a very important formula to be learnt. Okay, based on that you will get a 1 mark problem or 2 mark problem or 3 mark problem. So it's a very important one. Learn.